Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having low monthly fuel costs, a good deal, and loaded with features. Features also include steering wheel controls, MP3, blind spot monitor, hands-free Bluetooth integration, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Make a great choice today with the 2015 Civic. Honda Civic. Practical, awesome gas mileage, and incredibly reliable. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, headlights auto-off, mirror memory, remote trunk release, FWD, security system, cruise control. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.